Durano, Honorable Duke Duterte, Honorable Calvin Duates, Honorable Christine Gore, Honorable Miguel Magpale, Honorable Don Roel Arias, Honorable Leonilo Canson, Honorable Danny Roble, and Honorable Edmond Lau. Our ABC President, Honorable Boy Calderon, SKF President, Honorable Rhea Cecilia Dayday, and special thanks to the very hardworking and very efficient chairperson of the Karansa Festival 2024, Honorable Ivy Durano. All of these wouldn't have been possible without our overall artistic director, the one and only engineer Patricio Junjet Primor. And together with your voice-over MC, the voice of Cebu, June Rapid, this has been your host, Vince Villafuerte Escario. Happy Fiesta de Now City! Viva Santo Tomas de Villanueva!